In this video, I'll show you how to find hidden niches on Etsy using trending keywords. First, go to the Etsy website and start typing a product idea into the search bar. As you type, Etsy will automatically show suggested search terms. These suggestions are based on what real buyers are currently searching for, which makes them a great source of trending keyword ideas. Next, look for long-tail keywords. These are longer search phrases with more specific intent, like teacher planner printable or wedding welcome sign template. Long-tail keywords usually have less competition while still having strong buyer demand. After that, open several listings that appear for those keywords and check how many results Etsy shows at the top of the page. If the search results are relatively low but the product is still popular, that could indicate a hidden niche opportunity. You can also look at the tags used by successful listings. Scroll down to the bottom of a listing to see your price, write a clear title and description, and publish the listing. When someone buys the product, Etsy will automatically deliver the PDF with the template link. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.